Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Soulful Beauty. So you might be wondering, where the hell have I been gone? Or not, because nobody knows me. So pretty much I've been inconsistent, I've been slacking, I've been just lazy, pretty much. I struggle with being committed to what I put out and said to do. So I want to challenge myself in trying to like stick to something and actually see it through. So for this channel, as it relates to sticking through it, I will create a schedule and make effort, actually put effort in, and I will set goals for myself, like literally set goals so I have a what should I say, something to abide by in terms of, okay, let's just do this, let's try to hit like 500 subscribers, which it sounds small but it's actually a lot for me. But yeah, so basically with this channel for 2019, what I want to do is to actually start like a fitness journey, because I'm really into this getting fit, getting toned, and I'm really into healthy eating. I actually want to become vegan, but it's so damn hard. But with everything, like, takes time. So I'm still gonna be doing hair, definitely. As you can see, I'm in locks. I recently did this style like about 2 weeks ago. I would have filmed it, but I have a full lock video already out. It's basically, I did the same thing, so I wouldn't need to film it, right? But yeah, I want to do like things that just deal with my overall health, my overall wellness, like fitness, skincare routine, like just how I treat my body inside and out. So this is what I want to focus my channel. Why am I not speaking? This is what I want to focus my channel around, you know, like just wellness, healthy lifestyle. I'm not perfect. This is a journey, as I said, and I will learn as I go along, and hopefully I have something to offer you guys. So just stick around, bear with me, encourage me, say, hey, why haven't you posted anything? I'm like, it's coming. And also I want to be more consistent with my Instagram, be more social, because I'm very anti-social. So yeah, I'm gonna post this video. I'm not even gonna edit. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video next year, most likely. And Happy New Year to you guys when it comes. I really hope you have a Happy New Year. Yeah, I'm kinda dull, but okay. Bye guys.